Brainfreeze, great to see you. Thanks for having me. Nice talking to you all. And don't freeze your brains. My name is John Romita Jr. I work for Marvel Comics and also myself. I've been working on Avengers right now and also Kick-Ass with How
is this evolving? Because there's a little bit of delay in the...
Just of Kick come out. The third issue will come out soon, right? This one. I'm working on the fourth issue, and I have to finish those next 3 issues, 5 within the next 2 months. Hope. Let's go. It's progressing nicely, but it's difficult to keep the Kick-Ass work also at the time. So I'm running a little behind schedule last time.
Cool. How long are you going to be on the Avengers?
I'll be on the Avengers until I run out of energy. I shouldn't say difficult. It's a more than something as simple as Spider-Man or a single character book. This is a multi-group book. Is difficult, more difficult than regular. I've done a year's worth, 12 issues. I'll do 10 issues. Or, I don't know, when they run out of gas or they decide they want.
Yeah, how's it progress?
It's ready for me to start the Kick-Ass. 3 issues remaining on Kick-Ass. Yeah, it's these two gentlemen that grew up with my parents in New York City. And we've upgraded. It's Howard Chaykin who's going to write for me, with me, and Howard has joined in. And we've updated to the, still dated, but it's a little bit more updated. And it's hitmen that are very hitmen, and I can't explain to you until the very end, have been around a very long time. And the mystery behind them is only one. And it's a complex, mob-related story, a little bit of fantasy involved.